Hi! Today we will be covering how to properly care for your pet chinchilla so they are happy and healthy. Let's start with some basic information about chinchillas, such as how big they get and how long they live. Chinchillas can live, on average, up to 10 to 15 years with proper care, and some can even live into their 20s. They can grow to about 10 to 16 inches long, including the tail, and are nocturnal. Chinchillas can do well alone, but also thrive in pairs or small groups as long as they are all the same gender. However, keep in mind, it is not safe to just introduce new members into an already established group. It is important before welcoming a chinchilla to the household to locate a veterinary office that accepts chinchillas. Both the American Board of Veterinary Practitioners webpage and the Association of Exotic Mammal Veterinarians webpage, linked below this video, are good resources to help finding a vet. Following this, you should have your pet examined by a veterinarian every 6 to 12 months and as soon as any signs of illness or disease are noted. Some signs of illness to keep an eye out for include, but are not limited to, not eating or drinking normally, cloudy, sunken, swollen eyes, overgrown front teeth, drooling, eye or nose discharge, diarrhea, or continuously tilted head. A healthy chinchilla is always eating and pooping. Along with regular veterinary visits, it is essential to stimulate your chinchilla's mind and body to replicate as much of their natural behavior as possible. This can be done through offering enrichment in the form of rotating different items in their habitat, such as various hiding spaces, chews, which also support dental health as their incisor teeth grow continuously, exercise wheel, and grass hay for burrowing, nesting, chewing, eating, etc. Another important piece of care for your chinchilla is giving them access to a dust bath up to 3 to 4 times a week for 10 to 20 minutes. The dust should be changed routinely to prevent exposure to unwanted bacteria. This is essential as chinchillas depend on routinely bathing in fine, dry particulate substrate for proper fur and skin health. Bathing chinchillas in water is dangerous as they actually depend on natural oils and scents for health and also communication. Now, let's talk about what you should be feeding your chinchilla. First off, they should be given an unlimited amount of hay, such as timothy, orchard, or oat grass. Tooth care: it is important to know that their incisors, front, and molars, cheek teeth, grow constantly, which is why they always need grass hay available to them. Along with hay, you want to give them high-quality, species-specific, uniformly pelleted food, making sure their bowl remains 3/4 full. Once a week, you can give your chinchilla fresh produce such as leafy greens, vegetables, or fruits. For treats twice a week, you can offer them things such as alfalfa hay, rose hip, or hibiscus. Of course, you will always want to make sure they also have access to clean, fresh water in a bowl or bottle. When handling a chinchilla, make sure to never grab them by the coat or tail. Instead, it is best to scoop them up and support their bodies. Chinchillas that are appropriately socialized and have a caretaker dedicated to proper physical and mental care can make excellent family additions. Pet parents love the fact that they are very acrobatic and skilled climbers. That wraps up our basic care guide for chinchillas. Thank you for listening and make sure to check out PetSmart for all the essential items for your chinchilla.